Good afternoon, Colonial School District families. The following video will teach you how to apply for free and reduced lunch within the School Cafe website. Okay, first things first, you want to visit schoolcafe.com and log in with your credentials. If you don't have a login and password, follow the prompts below to create an account. Once you've logged into the website, you want to click Apply on the left side. After that, choose your language on the far right side. Click Next. This is the applicant information. This is guardian information. Fill it out, make sure all the corresponding information is correct. The following prompt for your student asks for student ID, name, date of birth, please include what school your student attends. Also, the grade. There's two questions here. These questions you want to read carefully, click yes or no, and choose the correct answer. Then they will ask, does the student receive any income? Please fill out the information carefully. Once that's done, you'll be brought to a new page. Here, you can add new students that attend the Colonial School District. If you do not, click Next. Next, you will be brought to a page which asks, do you receive currently any benefits? Click yes or no. Please indicate which one in the prompt. The following page asks for the applicant income. Please indicate the total amount and add the frequency. Is this monthly, weekly, or yearly? Also, if you choose to add another applicant, this would be including the other guardian's income. Once you've completed this, you'll be brought to a new page. This is where you review your information. The following page is optional. You may provide this information for the Colonial School District, but it is not necessary. Thank you. On the next page, it's going to ask for the last 4 digits of your Social Security number. You do not have to provide this information if you don't feel comfortable. However, you must click the box below to digitally sign your application. Once everything looks good, make sure you click Submit. Thank you very much, and have a wonderful day.